Just got a package, but first, I need to take a vacation. Welcome to paradise. I just got a box from my very good friends at Salad Vision and I can't wait to see what's inside. So how's everyone doing? Sorry, I've been away on vacation and I just returned. I hope you didn't miss me too much. Whoa, this is alkaline heaven. Check this out. This box and its contents were provided to me for free by Salad Vision. Let's see what we've got here. So, the first thing we have here is a box of key limes. And if you're living the alkaline lifestyle, you know key limes are hard to come by depending on where you live. I wonder what's next. Oh my god, am I in heaven? Salsa leaves? These are virtually impossible to find where I live. Thank you so much, guys. Next, we have His Majesty, Chondrus crispus, the lifeline of all alkaline vegans. This is authentic sea moss with the rock still attached to it. It's one of the real varieties. Ooh, we have a postcard too. That's so thoughtful. Take a look, guys. Business cards. I'll be giving these to my friends. Who's this beauty? Elderberry, sarsaparilla, burdock root, and nettle leaf? Get out of town. Cold season, here I come. Ginger, my dear friend Mr. Salad, you're really prepping me for the cold season. Do you know something I don't? Wow, a box of sweet tamarind. I'll take these over a box of chocolate any day. Okay, this is getting personal. Mr. Salad, you sent me a tongue scraper. Are you trying to tell me something? This is called Palo Santo. I was about to throw these away until I reached out to Mr. Salad. If you know what it's used for, let me know in the comment section below. I love t-shirts, and I think this will look good on me. Consider me a walking billboard. Now, this right here is what I've been waiting to get my hands on, and I can't wait to make some really delicious dishes with it. If you know me, you know I love spicy food, and this contains the heat as well as the nutrients. I can't tell you what it tastes like since I haven't tried it, but knowing Mr. Salad, I know this is an A1 product. So, everyone who's been looking for alkaline products, you now have direct access to one of my suppliers. Alright, let's make one of my favorite salsas, Pico De Gallo. For this recipe, you need 5 large plum tomatoes. We're going to start by cutting our tomatoes in half, then we're going to take out the pith. You don't have to do this. This is just for people who don't eat all parts of a tomato. Here you go. Now go ahead and cut your tomatoes into quarters. Some people take out the seeds too, but I love them. Next, we're going to cut a whole onion bulb into quarters, then set it aside. Traditionally, jalapeno peppers are used, but you can also swap them with some habanero peppers. These are alkaline. If you don't like spicy food, you can get rid of the seeds and only use the skin. Chop your habanero and set it aside. Avocados are not traditional, so you can go ahead and skip them if you like. Carefully split your avocado in two, leaving the stone intact. Then remove the stone. When you're done, use a spoon to scoop out the avocado flesh. Here you go. We're going to set this aside for now. Next, we'll be using 3 of the key limes I received from Salad Vision. Split the key limes in half and set them aside. Cilantro is a must. I know most of you don't like cilantro, but hey, it's a must. Go ahead and chop your cilantro and we'll move on to the next step. I love to cook, but I need my wrists for my daily push-ups. Sometimes dicing is too much work, even for a cook. That's why a vegetable chopper can come in handy. Anyway, add your diced tomatoes to a large bowl. Dice your onion slices as well. If If you don't feel like doing dishes or you're faster with a knife, go ahead and use a knife. When you're done, add your onions to the bowl. Next, I'm going to dice the avocado I peeled earlier. A vegetable chopper is not just for lazy people like me. It also gives you uniform shapes of vegetables. Add your avocado to the bowl. If you're brave, add your chopped habanero. Next, we're going to add our chopped cilantro. That looks beautiful already, but it's almost tasteless, so we're going to add some sea salt. Add some sea salt and adjust the taste. Now I'm going to add a few shakes of this spicy mineral-packed seasoning from Salad Vision. As you can see, the key limes from Salad Vision are seeded, and that's what you need if you're living the alkaline lifestyle. Add some key lime juice. Give it a really good mix. Now you're ready to serve. Well, that's it for today's recipe. It's so easy and delicious that I could eat an entire bowl all by myself. Also, be on the lookout for next week's video, as I'll be dropping one of my all-time favorite alkaline recipes. Finally, don't forget to check out Salad Vision's website for more fresh alkaline ingredients, resources, and essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.